I'm just getting this done. No, he doesn't even martingale on anything.
He what?
He doesn't even martingale on. We got him.
Is this yours?
Yes, this is Haley's. A horse. That was the other one that I have over there. But she used to have High Styling.
Uh-huh.
And we leased him out because she was done with him. This guy, he's 7 months. 7 months off the racetrack.
Now?
Huh?
Now?
Yes. Yep.
Oh, there are some really. I have one in my barn that's just so good.
His demeanor is just, he is a great boy. Like, honestly, he's such, and she has worked so hard with him. She enjoys the challenges.
Okay.
You know, she really.
How old is she?
Haley's 16.
Good for her.
Yeah. Yeah, she
Is she
worked.
little?
Haley?
Yeah.
No, she's like 5'6", maybe 5'7".
She really
Yeah.
that skinny?
She's very skinny.
Would
She has long legs.
If she want to ride, I have a pony in my barn.
Mhm.
It's a medium
Mhm.
that needs a good job. It's not bad at all.
Mm-hmm.
Just not very broke.
She is Haley, and she just finds